Good morning and welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone here is doing well. Thanks for joining me this morning. If it's your first time here, I'm Alex. I make videos about going birding, some POV photography videos. I also like to fly a drone here and there, but my main focus is looking at birds, and I especially love rare birds, which is why today's video is so exciting. So a few days ago on Discord, Facebook, the bird world here in Nova Scotia started to blow up, and people were seeing a bird called a limpkin. And apparently it's super rare, and there's only been 4 sightings in Nova Scotia ever, and there's evidence of it being here back in the 1950s once, and it was crazy. Anyway, people drove all the way down to Liverpool. It's about an hour and 45 minutes from where I live, and they saw it yesterday and the day before and maybe the day before that. So this morning I was free and I decided to wake up early and drive down here and try my luck. So this is the garden center where he was first found, and he's been here for a couple of days. It's a beautiful property and the owner's super nice. He's let us come back and photograph the bird at all hours of the day, not just opening hours. Oh, the light's beautiful now too. I'd love to get him in some beautiful light. Must be back here. Oh yeah. There he's right here. Oh, he's right behind this tree. Yeah, I'm gonna actually move, I think. Right here. Oh yeah, that one zoomed out a bit. That one zoomed in. Oh, he's magnificent. Right there too. Wow. That's all the way zoomed in with no crop. Wow. This is freaking crazy. It's so epic. Oh man, well, I'm back in the car. That was absolutely fascinating. Larry, the Limpkin, that's what the owners named him. Larry stayed so still for us. He posed for us. I shared the moment with a few other birders. It was such a magical experience. I might never see this bird in Nova Scotia ever again. I might never see this bird ever again unless I travel. So fantastic to get that lifer on my list. I am going to take off. That's the end of the Limpkin part. However, on my way home, I'm going to stop into another town, Lunenburg, a beautiful historic town, because a friend of mine that saw the Limpkin yesterday also was able to find a pink-footed goose. Yeah, a pink-footed goose outside of Lunenburg, and that's on my way home. So I am going to stop in there and see if I can find that bird. So I'll let you know what I find. Liverpool and Lunenburg are both towns on Nova Scotia's beautiful South Shore. After photographing one lifer in Liverpool, I got a bite to eat and made the 70-kilometer drive between the two towns to go look for the second lifer, the pink-footed goose. Well, I'm on my way to go look for the pink-footed goose, and I'm driving on Second Peninsula here in Lunenburg, and I see some cormorants out here. I'm just going to jump out and take a shot. There's different, interesting colors. I'm not sure. Huh. Just interested, there's a lot of white. They don't usually have that much white on them. So I just spoke to the landowner, the farmer here. He was a super nice guy, and he told me I could walk on the road through his property and have a look for the goose, and he said there might be some woodcocks and some shorebirds on his property, so that's where I'm at now. Funny, I ran into a guy just at the beach down the road. I was looking to see if I saw any birds, and a guy stopped me in his vehicle, and it was the same guy from Liverpool that I saw the Limpkin at, you know, about 1.5–2 hours ago. So crazy coincidence that he came here too, looking for the same bird. So I'm looking for the pink-footed goose and whatever else I can find here. Let's go. Oh man, this guy's farm is pretty sweet. Like, that's literally the ocean, the Atlantic Ocean. Beautiful property. He did say I could drive up here, but I'd rather walk. It's so beautiful out. Middle of October. See a bunch of Canada geese sticking their heads up there, so hopefully their cousin with the pink feet is around. Could not. All right. There's a bunch of geese over here too, like a lot. Right there. So I'm gonna have a look around. I brought some old binoculars from home. I don't usually wear binoculars pretty much because I don't have any, but I found some at my parents' house the other day, so I'm trying those out. It might be handy for this to see the pink feet. I think I'll just have a quick look with these and see if I can spot the goose. I'm realizing now I don't even know what it looks like other than pink feet, so I'm a bit ill prepared. I just have to find it again. That's what I'm looking at. There's one goose out of all of these that is slightly different than the rest. Actually, I'm gonna zoom out so I can show you. So, that's a huge panorama of a lot of geese. And then one of these has pink feet. Well, I haven't seen it yet, but I figured I'll walk up this dirt road here, see if they all fly away on me. Oh, hello. There's a couple sparrows. Those are starlings, the little ones that are flying. Oh yeah, see, they don't like me. It's not it. Those two look really cool like that. Maybe it's a savanna sparrow. It's got like pink legs, or yeah, orange legs, I mean. Sorry, I got pink on the brain. Huh. Well, I'm pretty much at the top and I don't see any more birds. The view from here is fantastic. Oh my god. Let's see. That's pretty cool. And that island over there looks cool. I don't really have the right lens. Huh. Cool spot though. All these little islands. I see lots of starlings flying around the big flock of geese. But I haven't been able to, oh wow, there's a big flock. I haven't been able to really find a goose that I think looks absolutely different than everything else. Wow. It's a cool shot of the starling. That one looks cool. To be honest, I thought it was something else. Well, I'm back in my car. It's actually not the same day, and I've never done this before. I've never recorded any of my outros or intros for a video on a different day. Like, I've always done it live. But after I left the farmer's field and I was looking for the pink-footed goose, like, I was discouraged because I couldn't find it, but I also felt pretty confident that I had looked everywhere and I had inspected all the geese. So I went home and I edited some photos of the limpkin, some amazing images. I was so lucky to see that bird. That was so fun. But then I found this image. And I took this image because the starlings flew up from the field and it looked cool. I haven't been able to, oh wow, there's a big flock. And then I noticed this. Sort of in the background, there's a blurry little head with a pink bill, and that's the pink-footed goose. And that's a lifer. Let's go. So lucky. Oh my god. Well, what an incredible day. We saw the limpkin, got to see another lifer and the pink-footed goose. Both of those birds are fairly rare. I don't think they're native to here at all. So they're visiting from, well, limpkin from down south and the pink-footed goose, I think, from up north, up in Greenland, Scotland, Iceland area. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up down below. I greatly appreciate it and it helps the channel grow. Subscribe to the channel if you don't want to miss any more videos about birds. Until the next one, stay safe, take care, and thanks for watching.